Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to change your Proton Pass password in 2026. If you want to improve your account security or update an old password, this guide will help you do it step by step. First, open Proton Pass on your browser, desktop app, or mobile app and log in to your account. Next, go to the Settings or Account section from the main dashboard. Now look for the Security or Password Settings option and click on it. Next, select the option to change your account password. Now enter your current password to verify your identity. Next, type your new password carefully. Make sure it is strong, with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Now confirm your new password by entering it again in the confirmation field. Next, save the changes by clicking the Update or Save button. Now log out of your account and log back in using your new password to make sure it works correctly. If you are using multiple devices, check that Proton Pass syncs properly after the password change. Finally, update your password in a safe place or password manager backup if needed, and that's it. You've successfully changed your Proton Pass password. Your account is now updated and more secure. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.